Hello, good evening to you all. Today in this video, I'll explain how you can create Shopify account or Shopify website store, online store just within less than a minute. For example, if you have an offline product store like grocery store or boutique or whatever you are selling something and you want to make your presence online, you can push your or showcase your website products online with the Shopify website. So Shopify is the popular online e-commerce store which can be accessed with the free trial also. So on Google, you can just search as Shopify login or something like that. Just loads up the website www.shopify.com, and here you'll have an option to create your free trial. So there may be a paid version, but initially you can start with the free trial. So I'm just clicking on that. Yeah, it is just asking me to verify whether I'm human or not. So I'll click on next. So I want to create an online store. I'm selecting that and clicking on next. So choose the option something like, yeah, location. So I want to sign up with the email. I can provide my email. Now you can choose the password of your choice. Okay, once you choose the password, you can click on create Shopify account. Remember, if the password, see, once I enter the password and log in, it is asking me to enter the code which they have sent to my email ID. So I need to check my email ID and enter the code so that they will verify this email account is mine. So I'll do that process and I'll click on login and I'll proceed. So I'm just clicking on remind me next time for the two-step verification, but it is always best to enable two-step verification. Okay. So this is what the home screen or the first screen what you will see immediately after the registration on Shopify website. So it is just giving some information that how you can sell products on online. Yeah, so yes, this is the home screen what you will see, and the URL is admin.shopify.com. If you observe, see here, I need to complete my profile for few more steps. So I'll stop this video until this, that how we can create account on Shopify, and I'll do another video on this, that how you can customize this store.